So you got that bomb single-DIN pullout that you don't want to get rid of, but you want to add Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and screen mirroring. The dilemma is, how do you add video to that head unit that you don't want to get rid of? You might also have a really nice stock head unit that you don't want to change out. The Carpe Ride 7 might just be your best option. The Carpe Ride 7 has so many great features, including its adjustable 7-inch display, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, Bluetooth, USB, SD card slot, wireless iPhone mirroring, and wired Android mirroring. It also supports wired Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto. There are two different versions of the Carpe Ride standalone unit, a 7-inch model and a 9-inch model. Let's dive into all the features of the 7-inch model and test the signal output. Inside the box is a 7-inch display, cigarette lighter plug, 3.5mm output cable, suction cup mount, pedestal stand, suction cup screw and mounting base, and double-sided adhesive for the pedestal stand. Both brackets allow for flexibility in mounting to the windshield or dashboard. The mount allows you to easily slip the unit off for those sketchy neighborhoods. The unit is super easy to get up and running. Use one of the mounting brackets and plug in the cigarette lighter. If you're trying to integrate with an existing audio system, the display has a 3.5mm audio output for plugging directly into your auxiliary input with the included cable, or hardwire with a 3.5mm to RCA to the rear audio input with an optional cable. If your radio doesn't have an auxiliary input, you can use the built-in FM modulator to transmit the signal to your radio. The left side of the display features a wired microphone input, micro SD card slot, backup camera input, audio video output, USB port, and 12 to 24 volt power input. The display of the Carpe Ride 7 is an IPS 7-inch display with 1024 by 600 pixels. The touchscreen is a capacitive display. The screen changes are immediate and one of the fastest that we've seen. But the capacitive touchscreen requires a little firmer touch than many of the other units we've tested. Overall, the display is vibrant, clear, and responsive when you adjust to the firmness of the touch. The OS of the display is pretty simple and really basic but straightforward. There are limited settings, but this isn't an actual head unit. To use the Carpe Ride to its full potential, you'll need to connect it to a phone, either wired or wirelessly for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto are essential. Both will work connected to a USB cable and accept permissions. For wireless Apple CarPlay, connect to the unit's Bluetooth with your iPhone, and you will have to allow a series of prompts for permission. Wireless Android Auto is exactly the same. For screen mirroring on your iPhone, go to your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings and turn both off. Then turn Wi-Fi on and select WP701. Once connected, swipe from the top right of your iPhone and select screen mirroring. For screen mirroring on Android, you must connect the USB cable and download the AutoLink app. You will need to make a settings change on the WP701 in the menu from Android Auto to AutoLink. For wired iPhone mirroring, connect your USB cable, pull down from the top right in the settings menu, and select screen mirroring. Audio playback can be done inside the Bluetooth audio source, but I see no need for this other than if you have a secondary phone that isn't compatible with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. But that phone might have music on it? I don't know. I just don't see the need for this. The SD card slot or USB thumb drive input can be used to play back audio and video files directly on the display. You can play back HD audio and video files as well as show JPEG images. I'll run through all the settings menu so you can see what the options are. Let's test the audio output for frequency response. Overall, this unit is perfect for those looking to add Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to a vehicle that has a single DIN or factory head unit that you don't want to replace. The price seems spot on and the features and quality of the unit were excellent. It'll do a fine job adding Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to your vehicle. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links in the bio. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button. If you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.